the Texas state capital?
In Austin, Texas.
Let's go up. Now there's also another one, but these are closed off.
Because they're now being modernized.
Great.
These are Dover being modernized by ThyssenKrupp.
They're kind of busy today, so there might be a few minutes shut.
Okay.
Now it's a wise choice. They did traction on this, especially how tall this building is.
Right. Definitely traction.
Hydraulic fluid will ruin the characteristics of this building.
Right. Yes.
Go forward. Take a good look at the fixture before these are going bye-bye.
So EPCO bronze vandal resistant. Let's go to E2.
Going down?
Down?
Yes, which floor would you like? What floor?
¿Vamos a ver el horno?
Ese es el número 1.
20.
De nada, señor. Going down?
Going down.
Okay.
We're going down and we're back.
Okay. So, let's look at the cab.
Before it's gone.
Or maybe they'll keep it.
Yeah, they'll probably keep it actually, right? Just the fixtures though. I feel
Right.
like the fixtures.
And, as you can see,
Let's check it.
this is actually going to be the final ride because these are now being modernized.
Yep. The work. ThyssenKrupp. They're right now doing the pre-qualification process.
So, with that said, that will be it. Let's go to 4.
So we're going up. 2's out. And we're stopping at 3.
Going up.
You guys are all set?
Thank you.
Have a good one.
Let's go to 1. Let's take it on another ride to 4. These are the elevators. This is a service elevator, the Texas State Capitol.
Service.
Very nice service elevator. It's a Dover, and it's going to be modernized.
Very soon.
Let's go to 1.
PTLs.
Actually, these are EPCO.
Oh, really? Right, I'm worried on context, so probably see things differently. Nick. You can see a massive pass by. Sort of. Where do we at?
2.
Yeah, one's pretty busy today, and also Happy New Year to go.
That's right.
Very nice awesome paneling with wood. This elevator has been preserved.
Yes. And
I'm gonna get both lanterns.
it's a very nice indicator light.
And in my pocket.
And there it goes. And that will be it.
I like how it displays this red.
Yes.